guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in my car. I actually just left the gym. I am going to head home now and do a power hour. I'm super excited about that. I decided to get on here right now for a couple of reasons. A, because when I get home I get really distracted. I also wanted to kind of be real with you guys for a second. I struggle with anxiety. I struggle with social anxiety. I struggle with depression. And my depression came on after the babies. But now when I look back onto my life as a child, I realize I've kind of always struggled. It wasn't severe enough to really know what was going on. My anxiety came on right after I had my first child. Again, I would say it's after the babies, but when I look back at my life, I realize I've always been a high anxiety child. So I wanted to get on here and also tell you guys that I wanted to see if I could connect with some of you that also might be struggling in this area. One of the other reasons why I came to the gym this morning was because we have plans this afternoon and I don't want to go. It's not because I don't love the people. It's not because I don't want to be social. It's because I have anxiety. And if you guys are like me, when you have anxiety, you will talk yourself out of doing something 1,000 times. For some reason, whenever you have something that you have to do that you might not really be wanting to do, that is the perfect time to clean the closet. That is the perfect time to do your nails. That's the perfect time to start really cleaning. And that's something I do. So I wanted to be very transparent with you guys. Okay, I want them to connect with me because I'm a real person. I don't have a perfectly cleaned house and super behaved children, as you guys probably know by now. I'm not super peppy all the time. I'm a real person. There are days where I don't want to talk to people. There are days where I just need to decompress. Then there are days where I want to go out and be social and connect with people all around me. But those aren't every days. So I wanted to give you a glimpse of my life and my struggle because today is a struggle for me. I went to bed thinking about what I had to do tomorrow. I woke up this morning getting excited about the day and then realizing I have something I have to do later today. And so I'm like, okay, I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to try to get some of those endorphins going. So hopefully I can push through. I also have to keep my mind off of it because I will think about it every minute of the day. When I start relaxing, I'll be like, I have something to do it today at 4. I'm going to have to get dressed. I have to get going. That's a little glimpse in my mind. And is it silly and irrational and flat out inconvenient? Yeah, it really is. But I want to let you know that if you are going through it too, we're in this together. And I wanted to show you how I am going to do my best on pushing through and enjoying. I'm going to try not to focus on the way home from the event because that's what I'm doing. I can't think about how fun the event's going to be. All I can think about is how excited I'm going to be home when it's done. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you guys deal with as well. I'm just kind of just being transparent with you guys. So I went to the gym, get the endorphins going, got to keep my mind going, gonna go home, do an awesome power hour for you guys. This video is also in collaboration with Now That I'm a Mother and Lizette. So I'm super excited about that. I will leave their channels and their the specific videos in this collaboration in the description box below. Make sure you go and check them out. Now I've got to keep my mind focused. Let's get into this power hour. Okay, I'm going to get started in the kitchen. My husband took the kids to my mom's pool so I could get some cleaning done, which I'm super thankful for. I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. I did enough talking in the intro, but I just hope that you guys could appreciate some transparency from me. I want you to know some of the things that I struggle with in case that you guys struggle with it as well, and we can kind of be there for each other. I'm a human. I have my ups and my downs. I don't have everything together like it may seem, and YouTube's been an incredible blessing to me, and I'm so thankful, but I'm a real person. So I just wanted to connect with you guys. So here we go. Let's get started. Hey guys, I also want to add in, I'm going to show my Instagram handle here. Please make sure you guys follow me there. And if you guys need anything or want to connect there, I would really appreciate it. And I love talking with y'all.
lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
the house is all clean and it feels so good, and honestly I feel so much more relaxed after doing this cleaning and really getting my feelings off my chest with you guys, to just let you know what I go through sometimes. It's not every day, but it does happen, and you know, you're not alone. So it definitely is going to feel good when I come home and my house is going to feel all clean. So I am so thankful that you guys joined me today. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, yay! I am so thankful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be posting more videos like this every single week, guys. I've got a lot more coming up for back to school and crafts and all kinds of fun stuff, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I can't thank you enough for following me on this journey. Bye, guys.